Hi, my name is Alex Curlich with GustanCho.com. VA loans with low credit scores, we're still doing them. Downside is we're charging you points for them. So if you got a VA loan and you want to get a mortgage, it's real simple. You can't be late in the last 12 months. No new collections, no lates on the credit cards, no lates on the cars, no lates on your mortgage. We have to verify your rent. You have to have a little bit of money in the bank after you close, and we got to stay below 55 DTI during COVID, and then we can do your loan here. Low credit scores are going to cost you some points, so we're going to have to build it in the purchase price by asking for seller credits. That's how I'm doing these, but I can still help you guys out. Give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. It helps us help you.